Rowe Collision Westbrook is your Southern Maine stop for certified Ford repairs and repairs on all makes and models. Choosing a Ford certified shop for your Ford repairs ensures that your vehicle is worked on properly with the correct Ford recommended tools. We have the ability to look up all of the position statements by the manufacturers to make sure your vehicle is fixed back to pre-loss condition. With all the new onboard ADAS systems in the newer vehicles today, we want to make sure your vehicle is brought to a shop that knows how to handle this. Along with being certified through Ford, we are also iCar Gold certified. Being iCar Gold certified means that we are up to date with all the requirements needed on all the other makes and models, not just Ford. If you are in an accident or need some cosmetic repairs, come on in for a free estimate or any needed guidance to help you along with the confusing insurance claim process. We are open Monday through Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. If your vehicle is not drivable and needs to be towed in, feel free to leave your keys in our drop box located at the Ford Service entrance door.